Hello everybody, today we're going to be replacing this toilet seat cover. It's already rusted. Screws over there, and look, it popped out. I probably could put it back in. I just decided to change it. So behind here is a wing nut. You don't need tools. Just turn it. In the back there's a wing nut. I don't have. I'll show it to you when I pull it out. Alright, so let me show you that wing nut. Right here. Half a wing nut. So it was like this. So I just turn it to loosen it up. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other one. You don't need tools. That's it. Where are your gloves? Because it'll be dirty. Another one. Now this thing can go in the trash. Clean that up. See the nasty stuff there? Might as well clean the toilets while you're here. Took me 5 minutes to take the junk out of there. Anyway, I cleaned both sides, both holes, top and bottom. That didn't sound right. Now we install the new one. I got this replacement one right here. The Clorox soft cushion, so I might be sitting here longer than usual. Anyway, there's two types of seat. There's depends on your toilet. This is a round seat. There's a one elongated one, so make sure you get the right seat. This is the round one, and you get the long elongated one is like the really long one, like an egg. So make sure you get the right one. Yeah, should be easy to install. Right, so there's the cover. We need to align it, and to pop it out, you pop from the back here and the front actually, the other way around. You line up the holes. You get the screws. You line up here. You tighten from the bottom. Hand tight. There's a. This one has a. This is the nut. So you just go in here. There's also a slot for a Phillips or a regular screwdriver here, so you can tighten it up like that. I don't want to. I don't need to. untighten on this thing. Line them up straight. Should tighten up. This side. Moving. Alright, so that's done. Yeah, so this is how you replace a toilet seat cover. New one here. It is soft. So you say it's supposed to be easy to clean. I'm not sure, but hopefully it is. Or I don't know how long this thing will last. I should take this out. Pretty sure this one gets nasty after a while. And the penalty of do not this tag not to be removed except for consumed by consumer. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace a toilet seat cover. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.